All right, hey, beautiful people. Today, you in the kitchen cooking with me. We're gonna be cooking the best fried cabbage with sausage. It's very simple. Just some seasonings, vegetables, the cabbage, the sausage. So I'll show you what I'm using. I'm using a few cloves of garlic, some yellow onion, of course the cabbage, and I have bell peppers. You want to eat the rainbow, right? So yellow, orange, red, green bell peppers. I'm using beef smoked sausage. I won't be particularly eating the sausage. I'm cooking this for someone else also, so I'll just be eating the cabbage, but I don't mind the flavor from the sausage. I'm using black pepper, smoked paprika. I'm going to be using a little Maggi seasoning. If you know, you know. Might use a little sazon, some body of onion powder to put on top for decoration. Basically, parsley, some complete seasoning, and some garlic powder. I'm going to be starting it out with some, this is avocado oil. So welcome if you're new here, welcome back if you've been here before. Thank you for clicking on this cabbage video, cooking with me. I'm going to start by cutting my garlic up first of all. Gonna cut our sausage up. In a bowl. So I can cut my peppers up. Just want to saute those onions. So they're translucent.
Yeah. Damaged. One man's trash is another man's baggage. Slow you down, I ain't going nowhere. Spacesuit on, can't breathe this air. TNT going off in here. Ain't we up there? 'Cause you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving. Believe me, 'cause you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving. Believe me. One more shot, one more round. Take my hits, pound for pound. Promise I'll let you down. One more shot, one more round. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose. Don't step on my rose. Step on my rose. Step on my rose. You told me situations left you lonely. Tried to give you my best shot, but my best don't mean a lot. Bullseye always miss, that's why it's all I got. 'Cause you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving. Believe me, because you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving. Believe me, believe me. So one more shot, one more round. Take my hits, pound for pound. Promise I'll let you down. One more shot, one more round. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose. Don't step on my rose. Step on my rose. Step on my rose. Are you the same? Yeah. Are you the same? Yeah. 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 I'm an old school man. I only wanna fall in love once with an old school girl. Old school girl, old school girl. When I know, I'll know. Hand in hand like right, left, right,
All right. I like to slice my cabbage down some more.
Bonnie and Clyde. You can have whatever you like when it's you and I. We can have the world. See us coming like left, right, oh. Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? Can we get comfortable? I don't really like going out. It makes me uncomfortable. Comfortable, yeah. We could be chilling on the sofa or cooking in the kitchen like left, right, oh. Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? touching my body, go. When you're touching my body, go. I want it, yeah, I need it, and I'm on it, I'm on it. Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same?
Okay. You see that sausage cooked down? We got that brown in the bottom of the pan. I'm gonna scrape that up. That's seasoning. Now we're gonna add our cabbage in.
Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same?
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your head get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard.
Cover it. Let it do its thing. I'm turning it down to medium low and let it cook. So, check it. Cooked down pretty good. I did not add any water. It makes its own water. And that's all that seasoning. You see that water in there? That's from the steam from the cabbage. Did not add any water. And that's all that seasoning in there. So it's almost done. Almost cooked down pretty good. And it is ready for nice sauteed. Sausage is done. It is good.
Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once. For once.
And there it is, plated up, looking good,
Keep it in here, don't knock it.
smelling good. Is the best cabbage with sausage.